Hi everyone, my name is Saugat Roy and I am from Hyderabad. Today I am here to talk about three things, one of which is lessons learned in life, my life. Second is about the ambition or the goal that I have. And the third thing, which is the easiest thing, and everybody does that, is giving a piece of advice. So I would also like to give some piece of advice, but if somebody gets benefit out of it, that is something where I would feel good about giving some advice. So to begin with, I have overall 17 plus years of work experience, and that is into multiple fields. I started off my career being a graphic designer. From graphic designer, I have got into a small segment of being into call center. The third, and that is the biggest till now, and that is within the servicing operations in one of the mortgage industry. And currently, I am into the HR segment and HR domain, where I am managing the HRBP portion within the organization. So the first point that I have mentioned is about the lessons learned. So the lesson that was learned, and it was at a very later stage in my life, that to plan something in advance. Many of us, we get out of college, we grab things as in when it comes in front of us, and later probably we regret that I shouldn't have taken this. So plan it in advance, what you want to do. You want to study more, you want to study further before you take up any corporate role, whether you want to get into entrepreneurship. These days, so many organizations, they are supporting also to set up their own business. But planning is what is required, and that is where the journey begins. I would have planned, probably my career would have been either into graphic designing or in some other area of servicing. But later I have realized that my connect with people, I love talking to people, and that is something that I want to do. And since then till now, I have liked that work that I am doing. In fact, I'm loving it. I have taken up many courses to enhance my skill set within HR. And that is purely based on because I wanted to do that. So two things that I have learned is, one, definitely plan. Second is, in case if you have some passion in life, get into a job which suits your passion. The work that you do would really be very easygoing. You would love to do that work. That was point number one. The second thing that I want to do at this point of time, I would talk about both professional and personal, because I have started liking what I am doing at this point of time, being into HR. I would definitely love to see myself as a strong HR consultant, or within the CHRO world, one of the best HR professional. Second thing that drives me crazy is photography. I love photography, and I spend my weekends mostly clicking pictures, and that too wildlife pictures, birds pictures. So I would like to do something in those areas. And now I would like to connect these things that I want to do with the planning. At each segment, if I plan, I can execute them. Just a planning also will not help. So plan it and think through that what all are the things needed to execute them. So this was about number 2 that I want to achieve. Number 3 is the simplest thing, the advice. My advice to everyone is, whatever you do, do it wholeheartedly, because follow your passion, because a set goal needs a lot of hard work. Goals can be achieved. Put your goals as achievable goals and not a hard hitting goal and which you cannot achieve. So think through in those lines, set some goal for yourself, because the organizational goals definitely everybody try to meet because of the year-end appraisal and so on and so forth, many things attached to it, the promotions and many other things. But for your journey, you are the one who needs to think through, plan, execute and achieve your goals. So these are the 3 things that I wanted to talk to you about. In case if you like it, please feel free to like or share the comments here. Thank you so much, and wishing everyone good luck for their future. Thank you.